Hi everyone, this is Nick. I want to jump on really quick with a very short tip on cleaning up something that happens in your bar chart. Now by default, you might get this little legend here at the top in all of your charts. When you have a chart that's just showing one thing like this is showing percentage of agreement, you don't need to have a chart legend. You can make this a little bit more customized, a little bit more crisp. So what you're going to do first is just click on that legend and push backspace or delete. You're going to delete that legend altogether. Now the other thing that we can do is we can actually enable our axis title here, because we still want people to know what this axis is showing. It's showing percentage of agreement from our respondents. So what I'm going to do is go up to this little plus sign right there. This is called a little charm or a little skittle, and we're going to open that. We're going to click that, and you can see this little box here that says axis title is not checked. So we're going to go ahead and check that, and now you can see that both of my axes get a title. Now I don't want my vertical axis, so I'm just going to click on that title, and I'm going to backspace to delete it. But this space, this one right here, we may want to move it over, and then we might want to click in the plot area. Let's give it a little bit more breathing room. I'm just going to increase decrease the height of that plot area just a little bit. And when you click inside of this axis title, you can just type into it like any other text box. Percentage of agreement. All right, and we can have that right there. Click outside of it and your chart looks really nice. So this was a very quick tutorial on how to activate those axis titles when you don't want a default legend in your bar chart. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see you next time.